Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these boho braids on my natural hair. No extensions or weave added, nothing like that. It was just me trying it on a whim. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, you know what, I might as well give it a go. First, I'm going to start by parting my hair. I got to section off the front because that's a whole different ball game. The front, promise y'all, is the neatest area. You want to make sure that's the neat part because that's what most people are going to see. The back was a little iffy. My parting is getting good. Freehanding, I literally freehanded this entire process, but it got pretty good. So what I'm going to be using is the Eco Styler. I didn't have any edge control and I had to consult my sisters just to make sure, but I tried it anyways and it turned out pretty great. So I braid the hair. I start by braiding the hair. I put some gel on the section after I part it, and then I start by braiding it down, and then once I get maybe a quarter size way down, I start to pull out random pieces. So I try to make sure the braid strands are even, so I will braid down every three times I will pull a strand of my hair out, and I'll kind of hold it in my mouth. That's the easiest way to hold it. I mean, if you want to try something else, sure, go ahead. And then once I am finished with that section, I go on to the next braid. I try to do it row by row in the back. It's easier to kind of just get it done, get it out the way. And then I put the mousse on to actually activate the curls. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey and Avocado Styling Mousse. I'm going to use this to kind of secure my braids in place, and it's going to help bring a lot of curl to the little pieces that I'm leaving out to my natural hair, and just make it really look really nice and neat. When I am braiding the hair, I'm going to section it off. Again, I did say I was freehanding my parts in the back because it's hard for me to do the back by myself, especially when I was trying to film and look at myself in the mirror while doing it at the same time. It was hard. So y'all gonna get what y'all get with these parts, okay? You're gonna get what you get and not throw a fit. They are not even in the back, and you just got to deal with it. Now the front is actually the easy part. The front, because I can actually see where I'm parting. I start by parting through the sides, and so I do a 2-3-3 pattern just to make it even and make sure my parts are nice and clean. And of course I have to have a middle part bust down because that's me. I also have side part areas too, so I can switch the versatility in my hair. I felt that was important because I don't like to wear my hair in the middle part at all times, and it just worked for me. It allowed me to try different styles and stuff that you see at the end. I'm so glad you guys stayed and continued watching this video. I told y'all to trust the process because those parts at the beginning were crazy, okay? Those parts at the beginning were wild. So I'm glad you guys were able to stay and like make it to the end. This hairstyle actually took me an hour and a half just because I did the part so big because my hair isn't like super thick. Once I got the hang of it, I started kind of flying through it. I started playing with my hair and I actually ended up putting in a half up, half down, which worked for me. Like, I thought it was so cute. I wore it out and like it turned out even better when it dried. So I just think this is a really cute, versatile style. I didn't spend $200 like I would at the shop because the hairstylists are crazy these days. And it worked for me, especially like for the natural hair girlies who aren't trying to like add all that extra tension in your hair. But give it a try. I hope you guys like this video. Tell me if you guys, are interested in seeing more hair videos and different styles in my natural hair. Something that I can help you with. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.